What's up, guys? Guys, work buckle. My picky has to work. There is a lot of work for me, and I have to systemize everywhere immediately and fold all these clothes that I've washed. Oh my gosh. I'm just doing this bed like this. I don't want to spread it very well because tomorrow this bed I'm going to change it tomorrow evening with my husband's mother, because my husband's mother came every time to collect the bed sheets. Then she will go and wash the bed sheet and bring new one for me. So we are going to be changing the bed sheets together tomorrow evening. I will make video for it. Do not worry about that. So I'm just trying just to systemize it a little bit and make it look a little bit nice before I change it tomorrow. Okay. We are done. We are done. Let's go for another walk.